Let's go ahead and trace downstream inside ArcGIS Pro from data that we originally brought in as LiDAR data from nationalmap.gov. Let's go ahead and use the Trace Downstream geoprocessing tool. I'm going to give it a point on the map. I could also use as an input a feature class point file. From that, I can see that my trace downstream is leading off to the southwest. Where does that go eventually? It goes into the Grand Valley and then down the Colorado River, as you can see here, all the way from Colorado into Utah, panning on down through the Grand Canyon into Arizona on the California-Arizona border, into Mexico, and over to the Gulf of California. So that's my trace downstream tool. Quite easy to do and quite effective. And now I've dropped another point off to the northeast in my study area, and I can see that that trace downstream goes off to the northeast, eventually joining the Colorado River and joining my original path. So I'm going to change the symbology for one of those traces, and now I can see both of them inside ArcGIS Pro using the Trace Downstream tool. Now I also have a 3D scene set up, so I could look at this in my 3D scene as well. Now I've linked the 2D and the 3D views, or scenes if you will, and so now I can see the 2D view and the 3D scene side by side, looking at the trace downstream and looking at my terrain as well as my view shed that I've created in a previous step.